It all started with just an admiration from the distance.
Hey, what's happening? Hey, look at this dude. Look at this dude. We're looking for food.
Every time I clean up this beach, more sand comes over here. So pissed. Every damn day.
Seagull. Oh, look, Andy, just go ahead. That's a seagull. Seagull!
Then it quickly turned into obsession.
I see you. Hey, come back! Ah! I just wanted to pet it. Hey! 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 Come back! No one wants to be my friend! Hey! Come here! Come here! Come here! Don't squeak at me, bitch! I just want to pet you. Dang it! Oh my god, look at all those birds. Hey! 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 I wish I could fly. Oh my god, it looks like they're having a meeting. The little birds are complaining about the dirtiness again.
Clean this sand up every day. The humans get here and there's sand everywhere. I think we'll miss it.
I feel like they are, like, they're like, oh, intruders. Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Look at these ones, they're like, yeah, walk over here, bitch. I just want to be friends with one of you, just one. That's not fair. Jerks! I know. What about this guy? For you. Just want to pet you. Hey. Hey, what you doing? Hey. Hey, come back. Come back. Hey. Hey, come here. Come here. I just want to pet you. Oh, it's so close. So close. No, no, no. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. No, please come back. Come back. Come back. Hey.
So this was filmed over several different days at the same beach. So don't let it fool you. This wasn't like a one-trip thing. This was like multiple trips. And I would give her my camera and you see the result. Thousands upon thousands. That's an exaggeration. Hundreds of clips. Her chasing these poor innocent birds at the beach. So the moral of this story, don't take Kaitlyn around birds, and don't give her your camera. You've been warned.